For example 4, the little exponent of 2 means that you write this twice. Then you would go ahead and draw the square. And fill in x positive 8 and then x positive 8. So x times x is x squared. X times 8 is 8x. X times 8, 8x. And 8 times 8 is 64. So as you can see on the diagonal still, those are like terms. So I would have x squared, add these to get 16x, and then bring down the 64. Okay, in part B, that little 2 just means write that twice. So in my square, I'm going to have 2x and a negative 3 and 2x and a negative 3. Keep my sign. So 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. 2x times negative 3 is negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. Again, as we can see on the diagonal, you have like terms, so I'm going to add those to get a negative 12. But I'm going to write that 4x squared first, because it needs to be in standard form. Combine, bring down the 9. In example 5, is very similar to the front of the notes when in example 2 we did FOIL, or we also did the same kind of box method here. So let's go ahead and draw the box, or the 2 by 2. And we have x plus 4 and a x minus 4. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. X times 4 is 4x. And 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. We can combine on the diagonal, but in this case they cancel each other out. So we just have x squared minus 16. In part B, again, go ahead and draw your square, making your 2 by 2. So I have x and a positive 8 and x and a negative 8. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 8 is negative 8x. X times 8 is 8x. And 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. Combine. They cancel. 8 minus 8 is 0. 0, so they cancel. And we have x squared minus 64. Okay. In the last problem, it says a rectangular garden has a length of x plus 8 units. So here's our garden. The length, x plus 8. The width is x minus 4. Draw a diagram and label the dimensions, so I did that. And then find the area. So the area of a rectangle, we know is length times width. So we have the length times the width. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and set this up in a 2 by 2. So I've got x and positive 8, and on the top I have x and a negative 4. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 8 times x is 8x. And 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. The diagonal are like terms, and they can combine to 4. So I have x squared. 8x minus 4x is 4x. And then negative 32. Because the label here was units, I am going to go ahead and put u squared because you do need to have the square. We're talking about area.